this is Lynn from Subpar Planning. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I can't believe it, but I actually have over 100 followers, and it's just crazy. So thank you for actually subscribing. If you're new, welcome. Subscribe if you'd like. And if you're a regular, as I like to think, welcome back. So this is a quick little unboxing of my Webster's Pages Pocket TN. I ordered it on Saturday night. It arrived yesterday. It was USPS Priority Mail, so it was awesome. It was very quick. And this is how it arrived. I haven't opened it yet. It came yesterday, but I got out of work late last night, and I was really tired, so I just went to bed. Plus, I don't have any fancy pants lighting, so I had to do it with daylight. So anyways, this is it. So we're going to open this bad boy up and see what it looks like. So this is the copper hexagon pocket. It says it's made in China. And then that's the item number in case you're interested. But if you go onto the Webster Pages website, you're gonna find it. It's pretty easy to find. This is a little box. This is how it comes sealed up. Oh, little damage right there. Probably got crushed at some point. So let's open this. These are the world's worst scissors, by the way. Oh, that's cute. Little vellum. Oh my god, it's adorable. Look at that little cutie. Little cutie patootie. I've never had a travel notebook before, so this is brand new to me. I just saw it and I just thought it was so cute. I don't even know if I'm going to use it, which is terrible. But yeah, I just saw it and I thought, oh my god, this is the cutest little pocket travel notebook ever. Wow, that's actually really nice. It's got some pretty colors in there. The mint, so it's a white vinyl-ish kind of a thing with a copper hexagon, and it's metallic. I don't really know if you can tell in the light, but it is metallic. It's got a slide-in pocket that's sealed. It's that's got the plastic over it. It's got one pocket here, and then it's got another pocket, which is actually really nice. And then we've got one book, and it says, it's embossed with the word hello. And it's got 1, 2, 3, 4 strings. A really nice little pen holder. It says right down here, www.websterpages.com. Another small little pocket, another pocket here, and then it's got a third pocket here. So these are actually, it's really, really nice. It's really cute. It feels well. I mean, it's vinyl. It's not leather, so it definitely has, it's not as soft as a leather travel general, obviously. And then it's got this cute little Webster's tag on it. I think it says Inspire, which is kind of cute. And then it's got the Webster Pages embossing, a little gold foil embossing on the sleeve. So this is actually really cute. I actually don't own any pages or any books, so this is really nice. This is a blank page. It looks like a blank book. So it looks like there's 28 pages in here. So it's a nice little book. It's not too thick. But yeah, it's actually really cute. It's very, very cute. It's cunning. Cunning. It's a main word, cunning. The only thing I think is kind of funny is this actually is upside down. So the way it sits, it actually says Inspire upside down. So I can probably fix that. It's actually not a big deal, but well, maybe not. But yeah, this is actually, it's actually really cute. It's kind of what I expected, but not really, being that I don't really have any pocket travel notebooks or anything like that. But I still have my Stology book, and it actually looks like it'll fit in here pretty easily, so that could be something I could do instead of using traditional pocket notebooks. Let's see how this would fit. So it just barely makes it with a little, I'd have to force it, which is really not ideal. But I could put it in this pocket if I wanted to, but it's really not very, I mean, it actually does kind of fit. So if I trimmed this back of the book a little bit, I could probably fit it in. Maybe, I don't know. Looks like it's, stitching is, it wants to fit. I think I could get it in there with some coaxing. But that might be something to consider instead of using notebooks and just using this. And I could just use this as like a, some kind of like a traveler, I don't know. I mean, I honestly don't even know if I'd ever use this. It's just, I saw it and I just thought it was really cute. Now it's just like, oh my gosh, this is a pocket, and who doesn't like a pocket? So, so yeah, I mean, it was $25, no tax, and then to get it shipped to where I live, it was like an extra $8 and change, so it really wasn't that bad. It was like $33, and, you know, I mean, you can buy $33 traveler's notebooks on Amazon. Again, this is not leather, this is a, like a vinyl, but it's still, I mean, it's really nice. I mean, for what it is, it's actually not bad. So, anyways, I just thought I'd post this really quick to let everyone see, because I know some people were interested in seeing some images of it. I kind of like the idea of having this book, because at least now I have a idea for templates. Like, this could be like a template pocket book for me. So now I can just make my own covers, take my own paper, and just actually really kind of make it more personal. And that way I don't have to buy these. I mean, I don't mind buying stuff. It's just, if I can make it myself, I'd rather, because for me, I think that's the whole point. That's the whole reason why I like paper crafting, is because I want to make my own stuff. So yeah, there it is. Sorry for the weird angle, but I'm actually not able to do anything in my normal spot. So yeah, this is the Webster's Pages Pocket Travel Notebook in copper hexagon, purchased on their website, websterpages.com. So yeah. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye. Deuces.